It's just like everything's happening around me. I've just got no control over any of it. Cutting off my head. It was like I was cutting off all the bad bits. If I looked like someone different, then maybe this hurt would feel like it was happening to someone else.
But it isn't happening to somebody else. It's happening to you.
It's like my body belonged to someone else.
It just seems like you've had other things on your mind recently.
You've just not been yourself recently. You're so withdrawn.
I'm okay. I'm all good. Promise.
Nothing happened to you. We had sex, you wanted to.
Why is this happening to me?
Well, maybe you just need to get over it.
You okay? Yeah. All I ever seem to do is screw things up.
You were failing your university course. Turns out she's just a slacker.
You've never even bothered to find out who I actually am or what happens in my life.
Is there anyone you can talk to?
We didn't, did we?
Oh, was that good, was that? The night was pretty amazing.
Was it? Because I don't remember any of it.
People like that get inside your head. They make you feel bad for even thinking that they might have done something wrong.
What are you trying to say?
You are just a lying, disgusting, typical man who wants to get inside our head and make us think that we're in the wrong and that we deserve it, but we don't. I look the same on the outside as on the inside. Disgusting.
I was so drunk I could barely stand. The next thing I know, I'm waking up without my underwear on. So you were scared? Why would I be scared of him? I meant the leader.
Don't touch me.
She's such a slap.
You look like a real slap, you know.
I'm disgusting. I really want me. What are you not telling me? Nobody understands. A lot's been going on and I can't keep up. And I just feel like I can't keep my head above water, and any second now I'm going to drown.
Bad things happen to good people. It's just the way the world is.
I just want to turn back the clock and just pretend that the last few months haven't happened. I want to be happy again.